Hello traders out there in Traderland, D7 here with Grok Trade. Happy Martin Luther King Day weekend, and Trump's in office now. Let's get started. Here are the markets. We talked about the markets having bullish divergences across the board. Said it was critical work last week, and we had those bullish divergence taking place. See how we're going down there and going up here. There it is. I said look for the markets to go higher, and boom, straight up, breaking major support or resistance levels. Breaking resistance levels, very powerful. We did have a nice multi-day run to the upside. It needs to take a break here, but that break may be short-lived and another rally to the upside. A lot of information I'm sharing with you in a short amount of time. We're up. Do you see this moving average right here? If I click this moving average, and I'm using TradingView, there's a link down in the marks, but if I click that, you'll see this is my 50-day moving average. The 50-day moving average is acting as resistance. Last time we got up to that resistance, we dropped. We're at it again. Let's watch that on the diamonds. Here are the Qs. Nice falling wedge. It's also a bullish flag. And boom! Broke out on major volume. Looking good. We could continue to see movement on tech stocks upwards. Small caps, if you look at this, had a major area of support, and then boom, straight up, looking good. And if we go here to the financials, this one's problematic. We up to a major trend line. Will this be an area for the markets to drop? If the financials drop, so will the market. So you got to be careful with that. US dollar, speaking of things dropping, down, broke a major area of support this week. Rising wedge, breakdown, bam, to the downside. Gold, if you take a look here at gold, choppy upwards above the moving averages. Silver, if you look at this, choppy up, but right up to a rising trend line, hit its head and coming down. So something to watch there. If you go to the VIX is under 16 there, but we're at a major area of support. You can see that right there, something to be watching for. And if you look at Bitcoin, we're at 101 at the time of this video. And speaking of this, I'm going to share something with you guys. We have an event. If you've ever felt uncertain about which stocks to trade, when to jump in, how to lock in profits, you're not alone. Most people try to learn on their own, only to watch their accounts suffer. That's called autodidacticism. That is a cancer to traders. That's self-learning. Never fall in that trap. Always lock arms. So this is the hard truth. Self-learning is not good in the trading world. So the reality is a clear, structured approach cuts through the noise. That's why we're hosting our 301 mentorship, which is a live 3-day online training. Okay, now write this down. I'm going to pause. Write this down. February 15th to the 17th. It's designed to give you the skills and confidence to trade strategically. Then after that, now write this down, February 22nd and the 23rd, we're running our 401 Master Trader Mentorship to fast track your progress and introduce you to advanced setups and our 4 trading algos. What does that mean? The 401, it's there for people who want to be full-time traders, for those people that want to increase their learning curve. I only do this once, maybe twice per year. And guess what? Next month is our annual event for the 401 Master Trader. And I teach that myself. So in other words, if I was a trader wanting to learn to trade, my hind end would be plugged in to our February trading mentorship. For the 301 mentorship, you're going to get the 101s, 201s, trading tutorials, and then you get the 301s, all in one package. But then after you do that, the very next week, February 22nd, 23rd, guess what? You will be taking, that weekend, we'll be taking the 401 Master Trader with me, and you're going to get all 4 of our trading algorithms free of charge. Those things are not free, and you'll be getting them free. So if you're looking for a more straightforward path to trading success, and that's you if you're listening to this, and you would like to see whether our mentorship is a good fit, which is probably likely it would be if you are interested in trading stocks or ETFs or any like cryptocurrency, anything that has a chart. We do not spend time on options. We do not spend time on currency pairs or future trading. We teach you how to trade the chart of those, but we don't get into those. It's specifically straight up stock trading, ETF trading. It's straight up trading. So every underlying asset of an option is a stock. So we teach you how to trade the stock first, and then you can trade your options or futures over the top of that. But I personally would love to connect with you. And so sometimes just a quick conversation can bring more clarity to the different programs we have and which program that we have might be the best fit for you. And you can find out all these details by being here on the website, groktrade.com. Look for the Trading Mentor link or just go to /Trading Mentor. And we'll set up a brief phone call to talk about our low packages, our higher packages, and what might make the most sense for you. So I hope that was worth your time listening to. Give me a thumbs up. I did not run Google ads on this and YouTube ads. For that reason, I think I earned a thumbs up. If you made it this far, say made it to the very end, because only you and I know what that will mean. So take care. We'll catch up with you later. Guys, why are you still here? You just watched my video and now you're still lingering around. Might as well be with you now that I have your undivided attention. Listen, if you haven't done so yet, I highly recommend putting in a foundation of trading, your foundation of trading through a mentor. For learning to fly a plane, you wouldn't just go through ground school before you start flying in the friendly skies. What you would be doing, though, is going up first with your flight instructor. Same thing if you're going to learn to ride a bike, you better have somebody behind you helping you ride a bike. Surgery, you're not going to read a few books and do heart surgery. So every principle and with being guided by a mentor, let finances be this. If you're a trader, you from amateurs to professionals. Mentoring will do that for you. Anyway.